So I'm heading out to Ryan Harper's auto grooming in Dallas, but actually we're going to go to a friend of his who's going to put some vinyl on the car, and he's going to go ahead and clean up the front end area where we're going to get the expel wrap put on and get that all taken care of. This has been a long time coming. I've had this car for a while. I had another person that was going to do this work for me prior. There was some miscommunication, so I'll take part blame. Part of the blame also was on them. However, they left a kind of snarky email, and that caused me to say, never mind, I don't want your services. And so I called around to some other places, and I feel like I made a good choice. And a good friend of mine, well, a friend of mine from the neighborhood, I don't know him real well, but a friend of mine from the neighborhood knows this guy as well, and says he does good work. So I'm looking forward to getting it taken care of. But anyway, we're going to head out now, so let's get going. Cold start of my Lamborghini Gallardo. So here we are at Wrapworks. That is actually the name of the company that's going to do the vinyl, and Harper's Auto Grooming is going to do the expel. So as you can see, I got the car here with me. So let's run into Wrapworks and say hello. So if you're in the DFW area, here's their number, 972-514-6424. Like some of their previous work. And they're going ahead and starting the paint correction. We're going to go ahead and get the front, some of the front installed. We're not doing all of it today because they are putting some stripes on here. So once the stripes are done, then we will put the clear bra on top of the stripes, because with the stripes on top of the clear bra, they won't stick as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put it under like I did on the front part of the Corvette. And they got their light up to help make sure they can see everything really well. So I'm looking forward to it. So something interesting, if you notice, the Lamborghini badging is dead center in the car. However, it's actually not. It's only an appearance, because if you look, it's a little off center from the left to the right. But these are all lined up in a straight line, perfectly down to the front of the badge. But when you look up, there's a little bit larger area on the left than on the right. So it only appears perfectly straight. He said that it happens quite often on cars. The worst he's seen yet is a Dodge Hellcat that had the fin off by like 2 inches. So it looked absolutely terrible. But anyway, we're moving on, making progress. Be here for another day. It's looking good so far. So Ryan and Eric are back finishing up the front end with the expel. We had to go ahead and pull off the back stripes because the roof stripes, because it was crooked and it didn't look bad from the front, but when you stepped around to the back you could really see that it was off. So we went ahead and pulled them off. And we're going to put them on just on the spoiler, which I may eventually replace with a Superleggera wing. But we're just going to leave them on the front hood for now. Right now the guys are putting on the stripes for the sides. Alright guys, are you ready to see the final product? I can say that I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out. It did turn out better than I expected. There's probably going to be something on here that'll trigger some people. I'm not going to tell you what it is. If you figure it out, leave it in the comments. But I don't care. So anyway, hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think. So these are the stripes on the side, and I actually stole this from a Squatter Corsa. Although I don't feel too guilty because it's not like a Performante where there's a whole bunch of them here. But these stripes are the same as what they have on the Gallardo Squatter Corsa. The only difference is it actually comes down on the front, but I didn't think it looked as good. I thought it was kind of useless. And the other thing that we added, like I told you before, is we put the stripes here on the back. So I think that looks pretty cool. Just a little extra added to the back. But I really love these stripes on the side. On both sides, I think they look really good. And then we went ahead and added front seat driver on here with the stripes, and the YouTube logo, and front seat driver on the sides right here. And then of course front seat driver on the window right here, and then of course stripes on the other side. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. I am very, very happy with the way it turned out. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, that's fine, let me know as well. Now I just got to think about if I want to go ahead and do something with these brake calipers, because they are yellow and don't really match. So I'm thinking about taking them off and having them painted, but I don't know if I want to spend the money to do that right now. But anyway, let me know what you think, and I'm going to go ahead and throw in at the end of this video a little bit of Justin and I, when he was in town from Horsepower Obsessed last week. We went out for a drive. He got to drive it, and we got pulled over by the cops, and it was interesting. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. My license plate. My license plate.
Oh God, it is behind us.
Yes.
Crap. Guys, we're getting pulled over.
I don't think we were speeding, so.
I don't think so either. Should I just pull right here?
Yeah. I just give him enough room to get up.
Do I have to do anything?
Put it in neutral. Double paddle, pull both paddles.
Oh yeah.
And then just.
I'll give you my wallet.
Yeah.
Window up or down?
Yeah, exactly.
Hello. Texas Highway Patrol, reason for the stop. Your vehicle does not have a front rear wheel license plate on it.
Oh, I took it off yesterday when they were doing photos.
Oh, that's you still have? Is it?
I do have it. It's actually on. I can pull this thing off. I have my screwdriver.
You have to take all this off to get to it?
Oh, no. All I gotta do is just pop my little front, get my screwdriver out, and pull it off, and then the license plate.
Can I just take a look at your license plate?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's actually.
It's underneath that.
It's underneath that, yeah.
Okay, is it hard to get to?
No. If you give me 2 seconds, let me pop the frunk, and then I'll just take my screwdriver out and then pull it off. If that's okay with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Where's that pop at?
It's down on the left right there. There's a little latch, just pull it towards you. Hang on, how close am I to this? Okay, we got room.
You guys out filming today?
Yeah, we're a little bit of a YouTube channel.
Yeah, we did a YouTube event. Well, we did a track event yesterday, and there was a lot of people that wanted to see the car and take pictures of it and all that.
Right.
So I typically try to keep my license plates, if I can, not visible.
Yeah, no problem.
So, I hope it is very, whatever, I don't know. I only drive this car like once a want to drive back, or you want me to?
I'd like to, but
That's fine. Go ahead.
so we're just waiting for him to come back now, guys. First time in a Lambo and I get pulled over.
At least short speed. Keeping it right under 55.
Absolutely. We only go to Mexico speed.
Yeah. Or to Texas Motor Speed.
Yeah, that too. I guess that's closer.
Yeah.
Here, you want to hold that actually?
Yeah.
Warning for operating motor vehicle without license plate or with no plate. Signature on the line. No, it's a warning. There's no time. Okay.
I thank you.
This is your comfort and warning.
Thank you.
Y'all drive safe. Have a good night.
You too, buddy. Thank you, sir. See, police in Texas are actually really cool most of the time. I haven't run into too many that aren't. This guy is super cool. Most of the other Department of Public Safety officers have been amazing. Mike and I had a slight run-in one time with a police officer behind us, and he was also super cool. So these guys, I give you guys a thumbs up.